That's our problem right there.
So instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast, I can roast, I can.
Alright, so guys, as I said before, you remember our pistons were not like this. There was piston slab. Now they are solid as a rock. Alright, this is number 2 and 3. Let's see number 1 and 2. You can even feel the pressure or the compression already. Not actually the compression, but it's tight, man. It's tight. It's nice. There's no slap. There's no like before, you know. There's not a sound, you know. So I'm happy with it. You see these bearings, they don't have any holes, okay, but the new ones have holes. Hey, so we don't know. We do not know whether it's a big deal or not. So guys, that's how you install. Let me restart. But you'll see on the other half, okay? I noticed that I didn't show you, okay? This is how you remove them. Usually when they are worn, they are easy to remove. But check what I'm talking about. There's no oil horn, what's this now? Oil hole, okay, on either of these bearings. Can you see that? There's no holes. Those are the standard bearings, okay? And then on the new ones, there's holes. There's oil holes. So I don't know, but the size is correct, but I don't know if it's a big deal or not. Okay, so this is how you see this groove over here, this groove, and that groove over there. They need to remember it must stay like that. So you just slide them in like that. Push, 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 push until you had that click, until it just does like that. Then obviously we'll do what? We'll do the oiling. Yeah, I know you were worried that I'm not gonna oil it. This is this ring squeezer, guys, if you don't know. Yeah, you need a lot of oil as well on it. our pistons were not like this. There was piston slab. Now they are solid as a rock. Alright, this is number 2 and 3. Let's see number 1 and 2. You can even feel the pressure or the compression already. Not actually the compression, but it's tight, man. It's tight. It's nice. There's no slap. There's no like before, you know. There's not a sound, you know. So I'm happy with that. Moment of truth, moment of truth. Let's see.
Shut up.
And the battery's not tight enough. Second time. Again. Okay, let's put everything together now. Okay, let's go on for the full start and see what's what. Again. Okay. Wants to catch, but let's see. Okay, almost. What's happening? Is it that lobe doesn't wanna? Oh God, it's that lobe. Telling you. Just once and then it comes out. It's alive. It's alive, guys. It's alive. Sure. Oh, God. But I removed the cam sensors, so I'm wondering if that's the issue. Because right now I removed the cam sensors. Can you see? I removed the cam sensors. Remember that column that I showed? I think I had to change the... Yeah, I have to change that thing.